What if I told you this tiny modern house has everything you need without wasting a single inch of space? From the sleek rooftop style balcony to the warm luxury interior, this two-story tiny home feels way bigger than it actually is. And wait until you see the upstairs bedroom with its private spa-style bathroom. Trust me, you're going to want to see every corner of this house. Welcome back, everyone. Today we're touring this stunning modern two-story tiny house that perfectly blends simplicity, comfort, and smart design. Right away, the exterior grabs your attention with its clean geometric shape and minimalist architecture. The flat roof design gives the home a sleek, contemporary appearance, while the bright white exterior walls create a fresh and airy feel. What really makes this home stand out is how beautifully it sits within the landscape. The fenced backyard feels private and peaceful, surrounded by mature trees and soft greenery that almost make the home feel hidden away in nature. Around the house, you'll notice carefully designed landscaping with flowering shrubs, small decorative plants, and cozy garden beds that soften the modern exterior. It gives the property a warm, welcoming atmosphere instead of feeling cold or overly industrial. The wooden front deck adds another layer of warmth to the design. Even though the house has a modern shape, the natural wood textures keep it feeling cozy and inviting. Now let's head up to one of the most attractive features of this tiny home, the second-floor balcony. This elevated outdoor space instantly gives the home a premium feel. The balcony stretches across the upper front section of the house and creates the perfect place to relax in the morning or unwind in the evening. The modern black metal railing keeps the design clean and open while still feeling secure. And because the balcony overlooks the backyard and surrounding trees, it almost feels like a private retreat floating above nature. The seating area is simple but beautifully arranged. Two woven lounge chairs paired with a small round table create a cozy setup for morning coffee, reading a book, or enjoying quiet conversations at sunset. What makes this space special is the connection between indoor and outdoor living. Now let's step inside through the main entrance. As soon as you walk in, the home immediately feels bright, warm, and surprisingly spacious. The tall ceiling creates an open atmosphere, while the soft, neutral color palette makes the interior feel calm and modern. Straight ahead, the living room becomes the focal point, centered around a clean, modern TV wall and a cozy seating area that instantly feels inviting. The living room design is minimal but extremely comfortable. The TV wall keeps everything sleek and uncluttered, allowing the room to feel larger and more organized the space. Warm lighting and soft textures create a relaxing atmosphere without overcrowding the space. The sofa placement works perfectly within the compact layout. Instead of trying to squeeze in oversized furniture, the design focuses on comfort and openness. Moving further inside, we reach the dining and kitchen area. The kitchen has a clean, Scandinavian-inspired design, with light wood cabinetry, white countertops, and elegant pendant lighting hanging above the island. Even though the kitchen is compact, it still offers impressive functionality. There's plenty of cabinet storage, modern appliances, and enough countertop space for cooking comfortably every day. The island doubles as both a prep station and casual dining area, complete with sleek black bar stools that add contrast to the warm wood tones. Now, let's talk about the staircase leading to the second floor. Instead of using bulky, enclosed stairs, this home features a beautiful floating staircase design with natural wood steps and slim black railings. The open riser design keeps the space visually light. Upstairs, we first arrive at the bathroom. Despite the compact footprint of the house, this bathroom feels surprisingly luxurious. The design follows a spa-inspired aesthetic with soft, neutral tones, warm wood accents, and modern black fixtures. The floating vanity helps maximize floor space while keeping the room visually clean and uncluttered. A large illuminated mirror adds both elegance and functionality, while the glass walk-in shower gives the bathroom a more upscale, modern feel. Now we enter the second floor bedroom. easily one of the coziest spaces in the entire home. The bedroom continues the same warm minimalist style seen throughout the house, with soft neutral colors, natural wood textures, and clean modern furniture. The large glass doors opening to the balcony completely transform the room. They bring in tons of sunlight while creating a beautiful indoor-outdoor connection. The high ceiling helps the bedroom feel much larger than expected. Beside the bedroom, there's a smartly designed closet area that maximizes storage without taking up too much space. If you enjoyed this tour, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments if you could see yourself living in a home like this.